This Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate Center, Realtors property video is presented by Pam Yungblut. This is one-of-a-kind, all-American home in the Elmwood area. So many features, shiplap original to the house, to the split floor plan with the addition. This home has 2 living areas, wood floors, 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, and a 1-car garage. New roof in January 2021, new exterior paint March 2021. This is a home and area to be desired. Elementary Austin and high school is Abilene High. No survey available. For more information, review the details below.